Hey guys, what's up? It is me again here, and today I have something super cool to show you guys. Say hi, Lindsay. She's in the background. So we got our box from Australia, Dasai. So here we go. I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with really quick here. So yeah, so I've been waiting for this for about almost a month, because it came from Australia. So yeah, pretty cool, very excited to show you guys what I have purchased. So let's see here. So box over here. I don't even know why I'm being so nice with the box. It's gonna go in the trash anyways after. Alright, so it comes with the cord to plug it in. Looks like just your normal USB-C. I think that's what the small one is. And then the normal USB. And the small passenger from Dasai. So there we go. So let's take it out of the box really quick, so I can show you guys what it looks like. So it's just a little box. Dasai.com. Like I said, it comes from Australia, so it took a little while to get here. So I'm gonna try plugging it into just an outlet, so that you guys can kind of hear what it says. Here we go, guys. Here we go. So here's our little wall. So. So pretty much I'll be installing this pretty soon here, guys. But yeah, so I just thought it was something kind of funny that I found on Instagram, and put a little bit of a different kind of touch to the car, just make it more fun. You know, that's what it's about. So yeah, why not? But yeah, so I'll be doing a little installation guide. I think what I'm going to end up doing is running this to the back of the radio, so that when the car, because it just needs power, it only goes on off one time, I believe. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run it to the back, because I think I have extra USB ports on the back of the radio, and it just takes a normal USB, and then that way I can tuck this behind the radio or somewhere in there, so that it's out of the way but you can still hear it. So but yeah, so that's just a little box, and yeah, keep you guys updated. Alright, so I'm going to be installing mine, I think, into the back of the radio. If there's USB plugs, like I said, I think there's some back there, not 100% sure. So what you're going to want to do if you're going to do the install like how I'm doing it is take this piece out, and then you're going to get to your screws for your radio if you have an aftermarket radio. You don't have to take out this middle column. You guys will be seeing another video on that soon. But yeah, so you're just going to want to take these out.
Okay.
Alright, so turns out I don't have any USB ports in the back of the radio, so I'm just gonna have to plug it in up front here, and I'm gonna try to run the wires behind, hopefully past all this rat's nest of wires. But yeah, so pretty much it's gonna be back, it's still gonna be tucked back here somewhere, hopefully. So this is what it sounds like. So when you turn your car on, so yeah, pretty much that's all it does. But yeah, so it'll be hidden, so nobody will really know. This USB port, this one has 3, so I'm not really too worried about having it there, because I'm gonna run it probably from this one right up in here, and it'll go right to the back. So it'll just look like something's connected, but they won't really know what it is. But yeah, so every time you start your car, turn it all the way on, or just turn it to the on position, or start it, it will play whatever small passenger voice you have for it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Obviously you guys can hook this up however you want. Obviously you're gonna want to try and put it like either in the glove box or somewhere behind the dash, just because it'll save you some room, and that way you don't just have a little box sitting out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for some more videos.